MODENA Counter Chiller CC3180, preserving fresh food quality. It is built with 304 food-grade stainless steel, which is perfect for businesses like hotels, restaurants, and cafes. Its temperature is displayed with digital LED monitor for easier access, and it can be set from -2 to 10 degrees Celsius. Don't be afraid of forgetting to close the chiller door, for it is equipped with self-closing doors to prevent food from melting. The magnetic gasket keeps tight air circulation to stabilize temperature inside the chiller. The gaskets are removable for easier cleaning. To enable storing all sizes of food items, it is equipped with adjustable shelves which are easy to be moved and set. Maintenance tips. Check the chiller periodically to avoid breakage. Check the chiller condition before and after usage. Unplug the chiller before cleaning. Clean the chiller with damp cloth and non-abrasive detergents. Unbolt the condenser filter lid to clean it thoroughly with water and non-abrasive detergents. Keep cleaning the chiller even when it's left idle and store it in a ventilated room.